The AI boom is creating millionaires daily, and in this video, I'll show you how you can join in and make money online using AI tools for free. For instance, there's an AI-based Spanish influencer who doesn't even exist, yet earns $10,000 per month online. Let's jump right into how you can make money online with AI tools. This is Pinterest, and this is a test Pinterest account I created for experimentation. You can see some of my posts here. I'll click on one of them, and you'll notice that in the last 30 days, this post received 24 views. I'll explain why that's important shortly. This post was made about 6 or 7 months ago. If we switch to lifetime views, you'll see that this one post, without any followers or subscribers, has generated 6,285 views. We are in an era where we're living in the attention economy, which means that getting views online can easily be converted into money. As you can see, this post generated 332 pin clicks with just 5 clicks directly on the pin, and all this came from a single post with 0 subscribers. Now, I'm going to show you how to create posts using AI and how you can grow quickly on Pinterest to start making money online. The first step is to create your Pinterest account. Next, head over to trends.pinterest.com. This is a crucial tool if you want to grow quickly on Pinterest, even if you're starting from scratch with no subscribers or followers. On the site, you'll find the Growing tab, where you can explore trending topics in the United States. This gives you access to keywords that are currently in demand. It's like a goldmine of what people are interested in right now, updated live with the latest trends. You can see popular keywords like date night beauty, back-to-school outfits, and home bedroom refresh. You can click on these keywords to do your own research. For instance, you can check how quickly a specific keyword has grown since May 6th, which is crucial because it shows what's trending right now on Pinterest. By creating content around these trending topics, you can start generating views, gaining followers, and eventually making money online. The next step is to find a keyword you want to target. Think about what interests you and look at the data available. This tool is useful even if you already have some audience. Once you begin gaining followers and views, you'll start noticing trending topics among your audience. However, since I haven't posted recently on my test Pinterest account, I can't see these insights yet. Once you start getting a few thousand views, you'll begin seeing suggestions based on your followers' engagement, helping you decide what to post next. For instance, I'm going to target home and bedroom refresh. I can click on this keyword to view its stats, and you'll notice it's growing very quickly, making it highly popular right now. This is a great keyword to focus on. You can also see demographic information such as age, gender, male, female, and popular posts related to this topic. Next, I'll copy the keyword home and bedroom refresh and head over to an AI tool called Perplexity. This tool can help by conducting research for us online. I'll type in the keyword into the chat and ask it to create long tail. I'll type in, "Can you create a long tail keyword for my Pinterest post?" into the AI tool, followed by the specific keyword home and bedroom refresh. After clicking next, the AI will do the research for us, essentially Googling and finding relevant long tail keywords for our post. Once we get these long tail keywords, we can start using them in our posts. Even if we have 0 followers, we're still likely to get some views, because long tail keywords are much easier to rank for than short ones. For example, ranking for the keyword home on Pinterest is difficult because it's so broad, but ranking for something more specific like home bedroom refresh is much easier. Using long tail keywords gives us a better chance of appearing in searches, especially if people are looking for more detailed content. Now that I have the long tail keyword, I'll copy it and use it to generate an image with another AI tool. I'm going to use Ideogram, which is a free tool, although there are some upgrade options. If you're not a fan of this tool, you can also try Liardo AI, another great free alternative that requires no spending. I'll paste the keyword budget-friendly home bedroom refresh idea and specify that I want a high-quality, realistic image. You can even choose the format of the image. I'm selecting the 9:16 format, and after that, I'll click on Generate. The process takes about a minute, and once it's done, I'll show you the result. Now that the image is ready, you can test it on your Pinterest account and see how well it performs. It looks fantastic, especially with the keyword budget-friendly bedroom refresh ideas incorporated into the post. You have the option to upscale, remix, or further edit the image if you'd like, but I'll keep it simple and download the image to my desktop for use. The next step is to create a title, which is crucial for your Pinterest post. Let me show you how. I'll jump into the home feed on Pinterest and click on a few posts for examples. The title of the post needs to be compelling and descriptive. Additionally, we'll need an explanation for what the image is about, so viewers understand the context. To help with that, I'll use ChatGPT, another AI tool, to generate a title and description. This way, we ensure the content is engaging and optimized for Pinterest. After copying the keyword, I'll ask ChatGPT to create a title for the Pinterest post. Even if there are small typos, it's fine. ChatGPT will still provide helpful suggestions. I'll input the keyword, and in return, it will generate several title ideas for my Pinterest post. Then, I'll also ask for a description, which can be used to explain what the image is about. In just 5 minutes, we've created a Pinterest post, and now it's ready to be published. To post it, I'll head to Pinterest, click on Create Pin, and then drag and drop the image we generated earlier. You can see how great it looks. For the title, I'll choose the best option from what ChatGPT provided, copy it, and paste it into the title field. To finish up the post, I'll copy the description provided by ChatGPT and paste it into the description field on Pinterest. Then I'll click Post, and just like that, within a few seconds, we've generated our first post for the Pinterest account. You can see how fantastic it looks. It's ready to attract views and engagement. Now, many of you might be wondering how to actually make money from this. Let me show you how by going back to my Pinterest account. I'll click on one of my previous posts to demonstrate. To make money, you need a destination URL, which is essentially a link that directs users to a product, service, or website where you're promoting something. For instance, in this example, I've linked a promotional post. When someone clicks on the Pinterest post, they're redirected to a website where I'm promoting my YouTube course. This is how I generate income, by driving traffic to something I'm offering, whether it's a course, product, or affiliate link. If you don't have your own product, like my YouTube course, which sells for $99 and teaches people how to grow and make money online without showing their face, you can still make money by promoting other products. One great option is signing up for affiliate networks like ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the largest affiliate networks, where you can find a variety of products to promote for a commission. If you don't have a product or service of your own, you can browse through ClickBank and pick something to promote. For example, if you promote a product that offers $118 in commission, you just need to click the Promote button, get your affiliate link, and use that in your Pinterest posts. To add this to your post, when you create a pin on Pinterest, you'll see a field for destination URL. Simply paste your affiliate link there, and whenever someone clicks on your post, they'll be directed to the product you're promoting. This way, you can earn commissions without needing your own product. By placing your affiliate or service link in the destination URL field on Pinterest, you're essentially promoting either your own services or other people's products, earning a commission when someone makes a purchase. This is how you can make money online using a combination of AI and affiliate marketing. If you keep repeating this process consistently, you'll start to see more views on your Pinterest posts, which will generate traction and attention. Over time, this engagement will lead to sales, allowing you to earn money by promoting services or products to the right audience actively searching for them.